What in the world has Formula One to do with programming?
Formula One racing into Miami for the first time.
The hottest ticket in town.
And how can it help me speed up my coding?
Max Verstappen is...
Let me show you.
Tom, drive to survive.
Drive to survive. Drive to survive.
The speed track, where the only thing that counts is the time. The work package is defined and clear. 30 laps of racing against each other. No matter the circumstances, no matter how hard the competition is. The only thing this race cares about is the time, or to be more precise, the relative time to all the auto racing cars. In the business world, you get paid by hours and it is measured how much work is done. Or as a freelancer, you get directly paid based on your work, independent of the time. So no matter what, you need to get fast in programming. But how in the world is it possible that some colleagues seem to get work done in almost no time and are still relaxed, while others are totally stressed out and almost no work got done? And for this video we will apply techniques that are used in Formula One to adapt our programming speed into this consecutive 3-step program. And in my opinion, the last point will probably surprise you a bit. What are Formula One drivers doing to concentrate? What are they preparing in order to be fit for the race? What techniques are they using to improve certain skills? And how in the world is all this applicable to our day-to-day lives as programmers? Let's get into it. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of setting up your workspace for maximum efficiency. Just like a Formula One driver prepares his car before the race meticulously, you need to ensure your programming environment is optimized for speed. First and foremost, consider investing in a standing desk. Studies have shown that standing while working can increase focus and productivity. It keeps your body engaged and your mind sharp, just like a driver standing at the start line. Next, it's time to optimize every turn, every move. In Formula One, drivers master every corner of the race to shave off precious milliseconds. Similarly, you should master your keyboard shortcuts in your IDE to navigate and code faster. Every second counts, so stay away from that mouse as much as possible. In VSCode, for example, you can open the settings and make yourself familiar with all these different shortcuts that are available. Don't hesitate to customize them to fit your workflow better. The goal is to become lightning fast in executing commands and actions. And by the way, I will post in the next days a video about a day in the life of a software engineer, so make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell if you don't want to miss it. The second point in this 3-step program is to utilize the extensions. Another crucial aspect of this workspace setup is to leverage your extensions. Just as a race car is equipped with the latest technology to gain an edge on the track, your IDE should be equipped with the latest and best extensions to streamline your workflow. Don't make your life hard by performing manually tasks that can be automated with the right extensions. Whether it's code formatting, debugging, or version control, there is likely an extension out there to make your life easier. I don't want to go into every extension there is, but I have in the description a list of extensions I can recommend. And finally, one of the most powerful tools at your disposal is GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered coding assistant can significantly accelerate your development speed by generating code snippets and suggestions in real time. Make it a habit to utilize GitHub Copilot as much as possible. It's becoming increasingly available in various development environments and can save you countless hours of typing and debugging. So there you have it. By setting up your workspace environment effectively, leveraging your extension and harnessing the power of tools like GitHub Copilot, you can program in speeds previously thought impossible. Stay tuned for more tips and techniques to supercharge your coding skills. As you integrate these extensions and optimize your workspace, remember, speed in coding isn't just about typing faster, it's about streamlining every aspect of your workflow. By adopting this strategy and tools inspired by Formula 1, you can turbocharge your productivity and outpace your competition. So gear up, hit the coding track, and race towards success. Happy coding!
You think that this life's made for a king? So many different things to do, living the high.